So then against this, Chris, giving it away now, boys and girls. Once that's giving it away too. Really hard. So we'll go back together to that. But thank goodness, Lucy's got a nice clear day. You can see from miles there. It's just private school. Oh, and a lovely roll just to do pass as well. Good luck. Well, that's Chris, just a short gap now while we get the EC135 in the air to go off these guys. Part of fundraising today, of course, is in support of the first-class life-saving that these people produce, a mixture of both highly trained, competent pilots together with paramedics as well. And they're all focused around what we call the golden hour, which is giving casualty to the level of care required in the shortest possible time.